Hello everyone, and welcome back to our TEMS Investigation tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to dive into a hands-on exercise on script writing. We'll walk you through the process step by step, creating a script that initiates a voice call, waits for a specific duration, and then concludes the call. So let's jump right in. To get started, open the TEMS Service Control Script Design application. You can do this by searching for it in the Start menu or directly within the TEMS Investigation software. If you're inside TEMS Investigation, go to the Control menu at the top and select Open Service Control Design window. This is where we'll create our script. Next, let's add a voice dial activity to our script. In the Service Control Design window, navigate to the Activity pane and find the voice activity tree. Drag the dial activity into the workflow diagram. Place it between the green Start Workflow and the red Stop activity. Now, let's configure the dial activity. In the Properties pane and Configuration Set pane on the right side, enter the callee's number and any other necessary call parameters. This step ensures our dial activity is set up correctly. We'll now incorporate a wait activity. In the Activity pane, under the Control Flow tree, find the wait activity and drag it next to the dial activity in the workflow diagram. This will introduce a specified duration of wait time into our script. In the Properties pane, you can set the duration of the wait. This determines how long the call will be lasting in conversation before proceeding. Finally, let's add a hang-up activity. From the voice tree in the Activity pane, drag the hang-up activity and place it in the workflow diagram. This will conclude our script. Last but not least, don't forget to save your flow. This ensures that your script is stored for future use and reference. And there you have it. You've just created a script in TEMS Investigation that initiates a voice call. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different configurations. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more TEMS Investigation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.